Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the Home Decor Studio. Today we will discuss about black themed bathroom decor. Are you ready to create a bathroom that exudes sophistication and elegance? In this video, we will explore the world of black themed bathroom decor and discover how this stylish color can transform your space into a luxurious oasis. Let's start with the foundation of your black themed bathroom. The tiles, opting for black tiles on the walls or floor adds a dramatic and bold touch. Whether you choose glossy or matte finishes, the black tiles become a statement feature that sets the tone for the entire space. To enhance the black themed aesthetic, incorporate black fixtures into your bathroom design. Swap out traditional chrome or stainless steel faucets, shower heads, and towel racks of sleek black alternatives. These fixtures provide a cohesive look and elevate the overall elegance of your bathroom. Pay attention to the details by adding black accessories from soap dispensers and toothbrushes holders to towel sets and shower curtains. Black accents bring a sense of unity and refinement to your bathroom decor. These accessories create a harmonious blend with the overall black themed design. Take your black themed bathroom to the next level by incorporating an accent wall. Choose one wall and paint it black or use black wallpaper with a texture or pattern design. An accent wall adds depth and visual interest, becoming a focal point that amplifies the overall style of your bathroom. Pay attention to your mirrors and lighting fixtures. Option for sleek black frame mirrors that complement the black themed decor. Pair them with black lighting fixtures or sconces to create a cohesive and visually striking combination. These elements add a touch of luxury and enhance the overall ambience. Complete your black themed bathroom with black textiles. Choose plush black towels, bath mats, and shower curtains to add texture and depth. These textiles not only contribute to the overall design but also provide a sense of comfort and coziness. Embracing a black themed bathroom decor allows you to create a space that is both elegant and sophisticated.